What we need is 2 lollipop sticks to make this. A piece of card, doesn't have to be the same color. 2 rubber bands and 2 little matchsticks or something to make a gap between the lollipop sticks. So what I need to do first is I need to cut my card so that it fits inside my 2 lollipop sticks. So I'll do that by, thank you, love assistant. Just estimating it. And what we want to do is we want to get the card, put a matchstick on the lollipop stick. And what I'm going to do is with the card, with the matchstick between the card, I'm going to bring this down so you can see. With the matchstick between the card and the lollipop stick. So matchstick in between there. Then you put your other lollipop stick on top and then you tie it in place. And as you can see, the way I'm looping it, and this is why I said to get a parent to help you, is so that the matchstick stays in the same place, which is not easy to do. So you end up with something like that, right? Then you can basically just use this like that. But to make it better, you need to make the card go in a diagonal way. So you need to flatten the card to the other lollipop stick and then put a match between that and the first lollipop stick. So if you look inside, which is hard to see, you should see, let me see if I can get this right. Just about see the card is going from top to bottom if you're looking left to right. You want to try and make the card tight as well. So if you see it curling like that, try and stretch it out. And then stick another rubber band on it. Oops. Sorry, that'll do like that. And that is what is essentially a kazoo, or a little bit like a grass whistle. This card in the middle is like the grass. And I'll show you how to work it. All you got to do is make sure there's a gap between and then blow through it. Nice, right?